do some work.
Type the variable. What's the variable name here?
AR1.
Very good. So if you type the variable name, it should give you what?
This.
That is very good. Okay. So now we want to call this function on each of the element separately and independently. Okay, first of all, what do you expect the output to be if you apply the function f to this array?
All of these get times 2 and plus 1.
Okay, so what should be the what are the outputs?
3.
Mm-hmm.
3, 5.
Mm-hmm.
7.
Mm-hmm.
9.
Mm-hmm.
11.
That is very good. That is very good. I'm impressed. Okay, so how do we call this function on this array so that we can actually generate all these output at the same time at runtime? Okay. So this is what we're going to do. Good. So this is exactly what Yi expected. That is very good. So let me explain this syntax. Okay. First of all, you have a variable. The variable is an array. Okay. And then you're mapping each element in the array to the function. So basically what you're doing is like this is basically saying like for each element x in the array 1 arr1, you call f to it. You see that? So this is exactly what we are looking for. So this is a very efficient way of like applying a function to a batch of numbers. Do you see that? So the key is like first you define an array of numbers. In this case, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then for each element in the array, we apply f to it. We call the function f on it. So that's the syntax. And this process is called map. We are mapping each element x in the array arr1 to the function fx. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay, now you have like 4 data points. So you have to type in this number one by one, which is very annoying, right? So here I'm going to teach you a new way, a better way of plotting this number automatically. So you don't need to type in manually all the numbers. Okay. So try this. Try to use this code. Okay. So here we have a new command on a new keyword called xset. So and then y.set. So try to copy the whole thing, and then call this function. Yep. No, just yep. And then you execute this.
Execute time.
There you go. You see, it plots the function, right? It automatically plots the data point here. Like 2 goes to 5, and then 4 goes to 9 and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
So now if you change your array to different numbers, so you check. Okay, try to like array 1, like try to change the value in array 1. Okay. Okay, wait, hold up. Before you execute this line of code, what are the Y's? What are the outputs that you expect?
Where's my code?
Yeah, where's your array?
Oh yeah.
Okay, did you execute that? So how do you know? How do you know you have executed that? How do you know?
I press Shift Enter.
And then, oh, but it doesn't show an output, right? So if you want to see, if you want to examine the value in the array, what do you do? So you want to see what in the array? What do you see? What do you do?
You use this one.
No, that's the output. That's calling the function f. But I just want to see the array. What do you expect? You just type the name of the array. You just type the name of the array. Like you see, style 51.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just type it. So it will tell you exactly what the array is. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you, so what do you expect the output to be? What do you expect the y to be?
Y
Mhm.
after combining f, function f,
After calling f on it, on them. Yeah. Mhm.
21, 25, or 281.
That's very good. And then you can call the function and then try to do the plotting to see. Does it give you what you expect?
Yep.
Okay, you can move the mouse over the points and then you can see the output. So what's this coordinate?
This one is 12. No,
No.
no, no.
What are the 3 points that you see on this graph?
10. Wait, there's 4.
No. Okay, what's the first point? What's the name of the first point?
Oh, no, there's only 3. It's the name is 10, 21.
Very good. What's the name of the second point?
12, 25.
That's good. And then
281, 140.
nope, that's not the name of the point. You always start with the input and then the output, okay? Not the other way around.
140, 281.
That's very good. So this is exactly what you expected. Now, do you notice anything? Regardless of what numbers you type in the array, 1, it always gives you the same picture. What is that picture?
A diagonal.
A straight line.